How's everybody doing today, guys? It's yours truly, KEEB here, back with another trading recap. Today, I did not take anything, if we can see. Let's really see what we're looking at here, okay? So if we come onto our 4-hour chart, alrighty guys, if we come onto our 4-hour chart, here, let's pull up this here, perfect, alrighty. We're locked in now, ladies and gents, okay? So, we have let's not do that. Today, bullshit. Tomorrow, Fed rates, statement, and FOMC press conference. I came into the market knowing that I'm not taking any trades today. With all that happening tomorrow, I just don't want to. I'm not taking that risk, you know what I mean? And if we come on the higher time frame, me me personally, I don't I don't like what we're looking like on the higher time frame. Wick into this, I wanted to see shorts, okay? And look, don't come into the market and want to see anything. This is just I'm just saying this to what I would like to have happen. What doesn't mean I'm forcing a short. That doesn't mean I'm taking a short. That doesn't mean anything. Okay, that just means that's what I'd like to happen. Is it gonna happen? No, it didn't happen. Okay, and I know that it's probably not gonna happen. We create this 4-hour bullish gap, wick into it, continue higher. Okay, and this is all-time highs right here. Okay, so. And then we've even of this hourly move right here, okay? From here to, and now this candle's flipped. Now this candle's flipped bearish. But we have hit, and yeah, and we can move it even down here. Yeah, so from this move to this move right here, we have hit EQ of that. So there's no reason for me. I'm not taking it long to all-time highs. I'm not going to short in this market. We had an SMT. We were just putting in massive SMTs. If we can see, we still have a massive SMT. We can see on S&P we came down to take out this low, and on NASDAQ we're still way above. Okay, we're still completely above. Now I may have thought shorts were forming. Okay, this is where we have to be patient in these markets, especially with Fed rates and FOMC tomorrow. Not something you want to play around with, okay? Not something you want to, fiddle around with. This is my full-time job, so I'm not really playing around with stuff like that. Also, guys, I got rid of my Focusrite. I got a brand new interface, and now this is my just little trophy here, man. It's awesome. Okay, that's pretty trim, just having it chilling right there. But yeah, we got a new interface. We got a Volt interface. So hopefully the audio is a little tad bit better. I'd hope so. And I hope you guys like the little, the nice little intro eventually here soon. I mean, with these little trading recap videos, I probably won't make any kind of, something big like this. I probably won't even slap a thumbnail on this one, to be completely honest. But heck yeah, dude. But anyways, yeah, we can see if we go back to our 5-minute, we can see just huge SMT, just gracious SMTs. And we kind of took out some of this London liquidity, but you can see that we are rejecting super heavy off this bullish gap. So I'm assuming longs might play out now, okay? If I was really, we've now broken structure. Actually, technically we haven't broken structure yet. This candle hasn't formed. We'd have to close above this to break structure, or if this candle closed above this, we would have broken structure. But it looks like we're about to break structure to the upside on the 15-minute, and on the 15-minute we are definitely about to break structure to the upside. Now we've moved into EQ. And continue to move higher. So that was really the two things that I either wanted to see. I either wanted to see a short down to London lows, tapping into this gap, hitting EQ of the gap to then move higher, or I either assumed that one index was going to, and then the other index was just going to hit EQ of the hourly move to then continue higher, and now it looks like that's what we're seeing. But yeah, like I said, with that news tomorrow, tomorrow should be a great day to trade. I'm assuming that, and now it's just, we're at a point where people are just so terrified. People get so terrified and greedy. There's like only two ways this can go. So we're either going to see massive pump tomorrow, and I mean, this is the most obvious thing ever, okay? But it's not like I can guarantee right now. Because if Fed rates, if the Fed rates are good, if the Fed rates change and they're good, or they're lower, you know, whatever, bam, through the roof, okay? But if they change, and that's the thing, while it's happening, the market's just going to be so choppy. The market's going to be chopped like a bitch. But I'm really going to use this opportunity tomorrow to pass my funded account 100%. I'm not going to force anything, but if I do see a good trade, I might just do a little bit heavier risk with FOMC. Let's see what time FOMC actually comes out tomorrow. Oh, nice. Okay, so actually New York Stock Exchange open will probably not even, will be just super choppy, and we probably won't see anything crazy until 2:30 going into that later PM session. So that's awesome. That's what I just love to see. Frick yeah. Dude, I have all this stuff that I don't even use anymore. I could take like half of this off here. But yeah, I'm going to hop off here, guys. I assume that we've now hit EQ. We're probably just going to move back down tomorrow. Probably will chop super heavy before we come back down. So I love you guys. I will see you guys in the next trading recap. You guys have a great rest of your night. I appreciate you guys big time tuning in, checking out the videos. I hope you guys have been liking the new thumbnails, and stay tuned for more content. I'm going to be making another KEEB Talk video soon. Heck yeah. Love you guys.